All right, you guys, welcome back. We're gonna be starting our next one here. So we got all our gear in here, got everything prepped going on. This is a really cool one. We're getting ready to start. So here's the master bedroom here, and the homeowners did this. They plasticed everything for us. Really cool. And as you can see, right in here's the bathroom. That's where Tom's at. So we're kind of starting right through here. This hardwood is going to end up coming up from this point into the bathroom. We're going to be tiling all that out. This vanity and stuff's going to be coming out. We're going to do them a custom vanity top right here, or the vanity itself. And this is going to be epoxy countertop. In here where Tom's at, we've got another one, and we're still indecisive here. So we got a lot to tear out, and that's going to help better determine, as far as we have some answers that we have some questions that need answers, actually. So here, moving on in, this garden tub's going to be coming out. We've got this pony wall full of marble here, kind of beefed up. That's the doors for underneath for the housing with the pump and all that stuff. We got the toilet here. And believe it or not, this is a 16-foot vaulted. Look at that. Got the two skylights up there. That's just the decorative beamwork. It's hollow. It's got some lights up in it. So this guy's coming out. This is where the new shower is going to go. This guy's going to come out hopefully here. We're pretty sure there's nothing up here in the ceiling line. That is just to house that and give that a stopping point up there to run the light in. We're pretty sure that this is hollow up here, nothing in it. If that's the case, then this wall's going to come out, shower's going to come out. We're going to end up taking all this and making it grow all the way down to be able to give her more cabinet space. So we've got a lot going on in this one. Lot to do, lot to demo, lot to get out, and we've got a lot of things to figure out along the way. So Mike will be coming in. I think Billy's going to be joining us on this one. This one's cool. This one's going to be a really cool project. We got a lot of custom things getting ready to come in here. I'm going to get with our cabinet guy. We're going to get some really cool vanities to get those made. And then we're going to be doing some epoxy countertops and everything like that in here. So all in all, it's going to be fun. It's going to be really cool. So stay tuned. We'll bring y'all in as always, show you what's going on, and lot of work going into this one. So look, we got all this marble up off the floor. It came up pretty easy. Keep in mind, this bathroom's almost 30 years old. So the marble come up pretty easy. We got all the counters. We got the mirrors off without breaking them. They were a chore. Believe me, they were a chore. So I really didn't know if those were going to break or not. We already got the vanity out here. Got all that situated. Got that mirror off. We kind of left these two lights up just so we could help, correct the problem. So we already took the face of this off. We're back down to the framework here. Check this out. Man, look at that. That box there. So this was actually, the homeowner informed us that, I think it was the lady that used to live here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the lady that used to live here, she was a real big green thumb, did a lot of plants, had plants all over the house. Well, she actually had some. That was the sole purpose when she had this house built. This was put in here. As you can see, it's copper. It's just a box that was fabricated and set in here. There's a framework up underneath here to support all this, but this was, whether it was annuals, perennials, not sure. We don't have the green thumb, but it was a really cool feature how they had this in here. But needless to say, it served two purposes. Gave her plants up here to pretty up. She had access doors down here for outlets and everything. Easy access to ever get to the pump if need be, if somebody had to repair it, anything like that. But nevertheless, this is going to be coming out on our side. So day one of demo, we've solved a lot of equations. With all this coming out, we did get into the ceiling over here just to see exactly what's going on, and it's exactly like we thought. There is framework up above here, which is common. Get all this ceiling tile and everything to hang up there, but more importantly, we've already looked up through the insulation and it's wide open all the way up to the pitch. So there's nothing wrong with this coming out. We're going to be able to drop this wall here. It is not a load-bearing wall of any kind. You know, it's just going to make life easy. So we probably got another couple of days in here. But this is where we're at thus far. Day one down. We're going to get all this stuff out of here and, you know, get it out of our trailer. And moving into tomorrow, I'd say we've probably got another couple of trailer loads to go. And then we'll be starting to, you know, starting to do some major figuring as to which way they want to go. There's several options here they have. Whether or not this wall could come down, it can now. So that's going to determine whether or not she's going to do a couple of maybe big towers with that cabinet space in between. If it's going to be more like a kitchen area and have uppers tying into those two big ones plus the lower set, what have you. We don't know. It's up to the homeowner. So that's it, you guys. Till tomorrow. We'll see y'all back real soon for the next one.